Hey everyone, welcome back. We're again live here at the New Central Jersey Real Estate Expo. I'm still Jonathan Boyle. He's still Joey Chan, and we're here with Ruel.
Baliong.
Thank you.
No one's gonna know how to say that, man. Nobody. I'll be the only one.
Nice.
Awesome. So
Yeah, Ruel, thanks for taking a few minutes. Hey, so give our audience a quick background about yourself and what is BNT Home Buyers.
Okay. First and foremost, thank you to these guys for always supporting, showing some love. My name is Ruel Baliong, BNT Home Buyers, currently flippers in Bergen County and Hudson. Fairly new to the industry, about a year and a half, but still have our 9 to 5s, but we're doing this on the side, hopefully working our way to getting rid of that and working with multifamilies, buying homes. Right now we're doing flips, single families, like I said. We're working on our 5th house. So, slowly building up the experience at this point and looking to network and find wholesalers and basically anyone in the industry that we could possibly grow with.
yes, something I like to add to the audience, just because I know you've done an at a level or two, haven't
Yes, yes. So we've had one that's going to be I say at a real at a level because it's a real second floor. But the couple that we've done, we've added square footage to it. That's our way of finding deals that make sense at the end. Because right now, if you don't do square footage adding, there's very, very limited deals out there. So the only way we thought in the markets that we're in that we can make deals make sense is by adding square footage.
Yeah, so
Makes
you're
sense.
doing capital appreciation plays, basically.
Absolutely, because as you guys know, deals over here are very, very thin. But I found that if you can add an extra bedroom in there, an extra bathroom, the ARV increases, significantly. Yeah, so
cool.
that's what we try to look for. If there's any of your wholesalers that have capes, ranches, right now we're in Bergenfield, Fairlawn, Kearney, North Arlington. If you guys have any deals like that, send them over our way. If these guys don't like it.
That's cool. So how can they find you on social media?
Okay, so really, really bad with social media. I'm bad with posting, but we are BNT Home Buyers on Facebook. My name again is Ruel Baliong on Facebook. My partner Lyndon Timbang also on Facebook. Instagram BNT Home Buyers. But I gotta admit, we're really bad at posting stuff and letting people know what we do, and hoping to change that.
Yeah.
First time I've ever been interviewed on camera, so got me out of my comfort zone. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, man.
It's awesome.
It's always,
Just sorry, I just want to say one last thing that I love about you have a social media manager, don't you?
My daughter, we started to, tell her, listen, you got to be a social. But our problem right now, and I think it's just myself, is we feel like if we're gonna put out content, it's got to be of value to people.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to just go in there, hey guys, this is what I'm doing today. You know what I mean? I feel just myself, and I think that's what's holding me back with producing more content. Is I feel like I got to put value out there when I'm going online, but I feel like just being present on social media will make a huge difference for our business. So I look forward to us kind of, paying more attention to that. And my daughter, my 13-year-old daughter, shout out to Elise, will be in charge of posting stuff for us eventually.
Awesome.
that's
Yeah.
awesome, man.
Again, thank you for being on the show, and as always, thank you Alpha Funding for sponsoring it.
Oh yeah, work with Alpha. They're great. David and them I've worked with them in a couple of deals already. Really good for new investors. I just want to give a shout out to these guys and the podcast that they're doing. Newbie investors, really good for anybody that's wanting to learn about the business. They have great information there.
Awesome.
Wow, Ruel, thank you.
Hey,
Thanks for
appreciate
being on the show
it.
real
Hey,
quick.
Thank you.
yo, thanks.
Take care.